Jot no lamso go tinggal di serang pejo tin no pununai pai ke pengketahuan card ni bagi aplikasi sini nih tin ko man gimana tin ko man gimana apa sistem borok ketahuan card ni bagi sung ko application ketahuan card na bagi aplikasi masih yo ba aplikasi sini nih bagi sung dalam rok di nai mohori rok no yang maru ingkai sistem ini suit lang kang kai sinar tong kang kai punya rang nanya plus ono klub kasih nanya so anja temu nama kisah anja nama kisah pernah musuh video keman no salah kang support kali te English ba tinggal kita bisa Cina nih sama musuh kai follow kali office follow kali support kali pada sila na sung reformat sila na ingkai baik jeng how to write application for a new ration card yang pula wa aliran pula sung ane heading go bokro sung addressing officer je ration card ini bono tunai wong kini subdivisional magistrate no kifu kayo ration card so semua address kan itu dah subdivisional magistrate subdivisional magistrate ba subdivisional magistrate SDM subdivisional magistrate okay address agak sini subject apply for a new ration card sar install kali orang sar kayak pula awas yang tanggal program yang pare masih program yang pare like with due respect with most respect fully and humble submission of sing anu ang kok na masalah nabe macam ara direct asing ko siya we the main kok na masih anu like lagi I'm here sorry I'm here issue my family consists of 3 members. That's not any ration card. I'm hereby applying for the issue of ration card for my family members that I'm here for 3 members has not been ration card. I'm providing handle dental. Behind mo no? I'm providing here and there the requirement, the required details stuff. This is for this purpose. For the purpose. Bukan pala so details ni family member ni ang nito. Details like name of the name of the application number here na hindi ko kanay. Yung pali kota. Head of the family details. Apura address itu apura takto ko nang LPG kana sa ko nang LPG consumer ID ba electric bill electricity bill ni ID electricity bill ID ro pango consumer ID main consumer ID yang memproduksi applicant ni okay ada family the members details with takai Aadhaar card mandatory Aadhaar card number mandatory among details kausan kari 1 2 check number atau na check number check number sudah jadi ini family ni problem tadi number bo sudah jadi sih mana apa details OSA with is ada jadi I'm closing the details the requirement. It is required documents as mentioned above. Along with this application I kindly request you to consider and approve my application and issue a ration card in favor of me at the earliest as possible. So, say thanking you kali maka. Thanking you, sir. Yours faithfully. Aku nak cara itu yang gimana? Aku cara itu gimana? Mana hasil berikut full tuh yo. Orang ini dah. Aku masang di sini sebelah. Amin kok thai. Kapu jadi makan sengkan. Tapi